What else? You know what time it is. Open the bomb, bidi. Rude.
Back then in J.town, me had the hustle to find my lane. Grinding on the hustle, struggling to make and pay. Dream louder than the traffic with the Lagos on a Friday. Told myself no stressing with Papa God, I go make him someday. We gated on my back, Conga slamming on my chest. Yes, the journey had me shaky, but my hope stayed blessed. Cause I knew one day I'd rise with faith burning in my eyes. From the dark to the light, now I'm standing tall. Used to dream of good tidings, now I'm getting them all. Every step that I take, every move that I make, I remember where I came from, and I thank God every time. Yeah, I'm blessed in my life. From the dark to the light, I'm blessed in my life. From the dark to the light, yeah. Now the crowd sing louder than the echoes of my past. For I get the confidence, the hardship know the last. So I carried every struggle like a medal on my chest. The journey's never easy when you want to be the best. Cause I knew one day I'd rise with faith burning in my eyes. From the dark to the light, now I'm standing tall. Used to dream of good tidings, now I'm getting them all. Every step that I take, every move that I make, I remember where I came from, and I thank God every time. Yeah, I'm blessed in my life. From the dark to the light, I'm blessed in my life. From the dark to the light,
Yeah. So Chanya may say whatever go happen. Cause me kai say we came out from nothing. I remember me boys in it teasing me for rapping. All the things that I was saying, they thought I was capping. Nipa nyanya made that man no be God. A very dirty beginning, but beautiful result. All the people blocking me way, I don't feel record. I'm sorry, but I'm not the same person you knew before. I used to carry all the pain, but wait till I go gain. Yeah, me say my hustle no go be in vain. I know they compete with nobody, me give me lane. Even when I fail, I stand up and try again. Telling all the things I did just to survive. Had to push through the dark to get to the light. All I used to say is I'm stressed and I'm tired, but finally we here. I'm blessed and alive.
From the dark to the light, now I'm standing tall. Never running from my route, I'm still there on top. Every step that I take, every mountain I climb, has a little bit of struggle, but it all turned out right. Yeah, I'm blessed in my life.
What else?
I'm blessed in my life.